Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quote a message and add a new line on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click into the message input box at the bottom of your screen to make it active. Type your message. For this example, I'm typing hello. Then highlight the text by clicking and dragging over it. A formatting menu appears above your highlighted text. Click the quote icon on the left side. Your text now has quote formatting applied, shown by a gray bar along its left edge. Delete the example text. Type your actual quoted message. For this example, I'm typing "How are you?" Press enter to send your message, and it posts in the channel with the quote formatting visible. If you need to add a new line inside a quoted message without sending it, hold Shift and press enter. That drops you to a new line while keeping the message box open so you can keep typing. The quote formatting only applies to the text that was highlighted when you click the icon. So if you want multiple lines quoted, you'll need to format each one separately, or type the whole thing first, then highlight and quote it all at once. You can also quote someone else's message by right-clicking it and selecting Quote. That pulls their text into your message box with the quote formatting already applied. And that's how to quote a message and add a new line on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.